Welcome you all for the reading comprehension. The explanation is given here. So we spoke something regarding the reading comprehension, the class just before, and we are going to look one of the question paper of 2015 June. So we can do by step. First of all, before reading the paragraph, you have to go your own way. That means the step is, first of all, you have to read the questions. Okay, but here I am starting with the paragraph reading. Okay, go through it, then we can go to the questions then after. But if you are doing to solving the program or doing the exam, you have to go the questions first of all, then only you have to come back to the paragraph. Okay, we can read the paragraph, how it is and what is going on. We have 6 questions here. Now it is already changed. Now 5 questions and 10 mark. This is a 15 question paper, so a little change is there. Okay, don't be panic regarding that one. Storytelling is not in our genes. Either it is an evolutionary history. It is the essence of what makes us human. Human beings progress by telling stories. One event can result in a great variety of stories being told about it. Sometimes those stories differ greatly. Which stories are picked up and repeated and which ones are dropped and forgotten often determines how we progress. Our history, knowledge, and understanding are the collections of few stories that survive. This includes the stories that we tell each other about the future, and how the future will turn out depends partially, possibly largely, on which stories are collectively choose to believe. Some stories are designed to spread fear and concern. This is because some storytellers feel that there is a need to raise some tensions. Some stories are frightening. They are like totemic warning. Fail to act now and we are all doomed. Then there are stories that indicates that all we find so long as we leave everything up to a few especially able adults. Currently, this trend is being led to by those who call themselves rational optimists. They tend to claim there is a human nature to compete and to succeed and also to profit all the expense of the others. The rational optimists, however, do not realize how humanity has progressed over time through amiable social networks and how large groups work in less selfishness and in the process accommodate rich and poor, high and low alike. This aspecting storytelling is considered by a practical possibles who sit between those who say all is fine and cheerful and be individualistic in your approach to a successful future, and those who ordain pessimism and fear that we are doomed. What the future holds for us, which stories we hold on and to, and how we act to them. Okay, so we can move to the questions. Rational optimist. So the paragraph already went through, so we have an idea where it was given. As I told earlier, you might have been gone through the questions earlier. I think you got which are the things marked, and you can underline it with your pencil or something. Okay, so that words already marked them easy to understand where the answer is. So we can go through. Look for the opportunities. That's A. Are sensible and cheerful. That is B. Are selfishly driven. That is the third one. So it is given. Identify the correct answer from the codes given below. This is the choices. First one is the A. That means B and C. That means they are telling are sensible and cheerful. Is what, and C there are selfishly driven. That is 2. And B giving all two there, A, B and C. So if you go through, you can understand where is it. And the C it is given only A, look for the opportunities. And the D it is given A and B. That means look for opportunities and are sensible and cheerful. So it is clear that the answer is B. The first one, that means A, B, C, both are showing the national optimism. They look for opportunities, are sensible and cheerful, and selfishly is driven. That is the answer altogether, A, B, Z. The B means A, B, Z altogether may be the answer. Okay. So the second question, human becomes less selfish when? It is already marked there earlier. Selfish might be underlined by yourself earlier. So you can look. They are work in solitude. It is there or not? The meaning supposed to come there. The work in a large group. It is there or not? They listen to frightening stories. It is connected to that one or not? They are listen to cheerful stories. That is sure. The answer is 2. That means B. They work in large groups. These are the clues how we can find the answers. Okay. Line it and find out. Then practical possibilities already given in a single inverted comma. Maybe in the paragraph also given the same way. Okay. We can go through. Are cheerful and carefree. It is given there or not, is related to that one or not. Follow midway path. It is regarding to practical possibilities or not. And third one, are doom mongers. It is given there nor linked with it. And D, are self-centered. So it is clear that second one, B is the answer. Follow midway path. If you go through the paragraph once, you can understand. Is right. Now next question. Storytelling is. What is the storytelling? What is the content behind it, or what is the link behind it? First one is the essence of what human makes us human. Is given there or not? An art, a science in our genes. So it is sure that it is given in the line itself the essence of what makes us human. Okay. Now we can go to the next one. Our knowledge is a collection of what? That is the next one. ABCD. Three choices are there. Some important stories, all stories that we heard during our lifetime, some stories that we remember, a few stories that survive. So, survive. That is the last one is the correct answer. D. A few stories that survive. Our knowledge is a collection of a few stories that survive. Survive the fittest. That means the same word. The survive. The stories also and the related to that one. It is given in the paragraph. As per paragraph. Okay. How the future will turn out to be depend upon the stories. That's the last question supposed to be. Now it is now the question and the question style is quite different. The new question paper. So this is the 15th question paper. There were 6 questions there. Now it is already 10, nearly 5, and the mark is up to 10, containing 2 mark for each. So you can look designed to be make prophecy. We collectively choose to believe in, which are repeatedly and narrated, designed to be spread fear and tension. So it is sure that how the future will be turned out to be depend upon the stories we collectively choose to believe in. B is the answer. Now these are the tactics to analyze and find the answers. First of all, this is the mode. These are steps. As we told earlier, before reading the paragraph, go to the questions. Keep in your mind what are the questions there. Go inside the paragraph. Whenever comes, you can underline already earlier. I mean, it's easy to find out. So abstract meaning supposed to be there. Sometimes there will be hidden meaning also. So easy one first of all catch and find the last one. So these are the answers of this question paper. Again, some questions are coming behind. Don't be panic. Don't be angry. Don't be sad. Practice, practice. It will improve a lot. Keep going on. Thank you very much. All the best. And don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.